Let's discuss about Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 does not only impress with its design but also with its powerful performance. The strong configuration outputs a great performance while playing gaming and doing multitasking. The camera quality is simply amazing and a good amount of storage is available for saving data. If you are looking forward to buy a stylish large-size gadget loaded with features, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is a perfect choice. Display and configuration. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 features a 6-inch Super AMOLED display. Driving the phone is a combination of 2.3 GHz quad-core M2 Mongoose and 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 processors seating on the Exynos 9-Octa 8895 chipset. The processor is aided by 6 GB of RAM and Mali G71 GPU. The phone comes with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 screen protection and boots on Android V7.1.1 Nougat operating system. There is a fingerprint sensor present allowing you to quickly unlock the device. Camera and battery. For photography and videography, the smartphone is stacked with a 16-megapixel main camera and an 8MP selfie shooter. The main snapper has dual LED flash and can click an image of 4616 by 3464 pixels quality. It has some quality features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus, and also can record a video of 2160p quality at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps and 720p at 120 fps speed. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 gets its energy from a 3500 mAh LiPo battery with quick charging support. Storage and connectivity. In terms of storage, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 houses an internal memory of 64 GB which can be increased up to 2 TB using a microSD card. The gadget offers a wide range of connectivity options such as single SIM, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, NFC and USB Type-C. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe the channel for more upcoming review. Keep watching.